Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you'll see a grocery haul. I'm going to be restocking my pantry and my refrigerator, and then I'll also be making a smash cake from scratch. After that, I need to tidy up and go pick Blake back up from school. So I have lots to do today, so let's get started. Also, if you'll stay tuned, I put a little clip at the end of Ridley smashing through this smash cake. Okay, just got back from Walmart. Here is my grocery haul. Not too big, although it did cost a lot of money for this, for what I'm used to. But I did get just some things just to make it through next week. Remember, next week is tournaments, so we just tried to do very simple, easy stuff. So I got an onion for Michael's lunches. He likes them on his bologna sandwiches. Some bananas. I've got a cabbage for that crock pot recipe I'm going to make next week, and I hope it's really good. Lettuce, I also prepare this, wash it and stuff, and go ahead and break it apart for Michael's bologna sandwiches as well. Got some strawberries that I'll wash and cut up. I got some, well, this I actually just added to the cart because I saw it and it just looked really good, so I'll probably put it with one of, like, maybe some Little Smokies or something for dinner for me. The kids, they like broccoli, but I mean, it's just hit or miss with them. I did get some more zucchini blend. I got one last week to eat with the chicken stir fry that we never made this week, and it's a really small bag. Like, I didn't feel like it was going to be enough for the stir fry, so I went ahead and got another bag. Broccoli florets, I love those. Lettuce for, I'll probably meal prep some chicken fajitas and put that in like a bowl or even on the low carb tortillas. If you see those eggs back there, those were actually given to us by our neighbors. So we could have those. I just have to wash them before I can put them in the fridge. Okay, some chocolate milk, crescent rolls for the with the Little Smokies, the pig in the blankets. And I did get the big pack. I know it's like 7 something for this, but I actually save what's left over and eat throughout like a couple of days for breakfast. I just heat them up and just pop them in, pop them in the microwave, and they're really filling because I don't really need that many. Got some more kielbasa for, I have jambalaya one night, just super easy, simple for the tournaments. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Sugar-free French vanilla, the Great Value kind. This is my favorite creamer, sugar-free, that I have found. It doesn't take as much as the name brand kind. I feel like I'm constantly pouring creamer in to sweeten my coffee with the name brand kind, but this is my favorite, and it's been sold out for the past probably 4 or 5 grocery pickups, and they have it. So I'm really excited about it. It's my favorite. And then, of course, these Great Value pickles are better to me than the name brand. I think it's called Mount Olive. I like these so much more. So, and they're just easy snacks. My daughter, Sophie, she loves them. So we just eat those for lunch sometimes too. I snack on these throughout the week. Usually parent pickup, I'm constantly, like, everybody is probably watching me like, what is she eating? Because I eat so many of those a day. I got the Taco Bell fajita mix with some chicken breasts that I like to shred up, and that's usually my favorite meal prep for lunches. It's so easy, and it's just something I could eat every day and probably never get sick of. However, if you look, like, they have a lot. Let's see, 1 tablespoon, 5 carbs. It has less than 1 dietary fiber, so 4 or 5 carbs. But that's a lot to me. So if you all have any suggestions on a good fajita mix, like, I've looked at other ones, and they're about the same. And so I don't know, maybe I should just switch to some taco seasoning or something lower in carbs, because that's actually a lot. But it tastes good. And so if you all have like a lower carb option for that, please let me know in the comments below, because I really like some good suggestions. Okay, so yes, chicken breast, and they have been out of so many different brands of chicken. There was actually one week I wasn't able to get any chicken at all. They were just sold out of everything. So I was glad to get that. And then I have another one actually in the fridge for the stir fry. Okay, I've got milk, of course. I've got some Lunchables for the kids this week. They love the pizza ones. Ridley, well, actually everybody loves these, but Ridley mostly eats one probably for breakfast just almost every day. It's just the blueberry muffins, and I like that they're individually wrapped because I can take them on the go if we're leaving. This was a substitution. I normally just get a different brand of hot dogs, just honestly whatever's cheapest, because they're the buns. But this was a substitution. Got a couple of wipes for Rid. Get those kind. I needed spray and wash desperately bad because we go through it. Oh, you know what? I don't really buy that bread anymore. I've only been buying it because they've been out of the brand that we usually eat. So I guess it was up there where I bought it last week, and I guess I just clicked on it. And then I got some Sprites for Michael and some Diet Coke for me, and that is, oh wait, no, I've got a couple things over here. A couple extra things I added last night. Sophie needed some combs. I have no combs in the house for her to part her hair or do fun things with it. So these were like almost $3 for the Conair brand. And now Michael and Blake can actually use them if they want to as well, because there's so many in there. There's 12. And then I also got Sophie some more water shoes. Her feet are so skinny, and for Easter she got just the strapped kind, like that goes across here, just a strap and a strap here. And her feet are so skinny but long that she has to have a size 10, but they seem so big, like they just wobble all over her feet. So I'm hoping that these water shoes will be better, like stay better on her feet. I hope so. I thought they were really cute. They kind of look Little Mermaid with the iridescent ribbon kind of thing there. They were almost $14. So I hope she likes those. So that is it for the grocery haul. Now I'm just going to be putting all of this stuff away, and then I will probably go ahead and get started on Ridley's smash cake, which may take me a while. Okay, so this is what I have for the recipe for the smash cake I'm doing for Ridley's first birthday. And I found it on Pinterest, and I'll try to link it below. But I believe it's from the Sugar Geek on Pinterest. And anyways, this is what it called for. It called for confectioner's powdered sugar, baking powder, granulated sugar. It actually called for cake flour, and I remember buying that before when I've made an actual, you know, I've decorated a cake before. I just forgot about using it. They say it's a lot like finer, and it just supposed to do much better. So we'll try that. That came from Walmart as well. You can find it there. Baking soda, unsalted butter, salt, pure vanilla extract, very important there, whole milk, canola oil, some large white eggs, and I also got yellow icing, the Wilton brand, coloring, icing color. It's called the Buttercup Yellow because I am making daisies. And then it also said to do a purple, maybe a little bit of purple, because when you read down there on the instructions of how to make the icing, apparently when you put the butter in or something, something you put in, it turns it a little yellow. So if you want white icing, it says add a little bit of purple food coloring into it to tone it down. So we'll try that. I also got this stuff to help me. Now I'm only making a smash cake right now, so I just got the Wilton three layers, 2 6-inch by 2-inch cake pans, but I'll probably end up making like a 3-layer cake. And then I've got these because I plan on making more. These are the 9-inch cake pans, and then I also got a cake leveler. I've used this before. It just has this like this little string that tries to help you make it, you know, flat, and then of course the cake circle boards that you put them on. So we'll see how this turns out.
Rising up like a phoenix is, been tired of pushed down the ground, speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. I got my lows, I got my highs, moving on close to my goal. Time is now, place is here to rest, filling the holes of my soul. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
Okay, I'm finally preparing to bake, and let me go ahead and say this cake was amazing. My mom, who happens to be a cake fanatic, was surprised I was able to make such a delicious tasting cake. Now, this recipe is a little complex. The milk, eggs, and butter will have to be room temperature. Now, it says have to be, but mine wasn't exactly room temperature. I think I left mine out maybe like an hour before. So it wasn't exactly room temperature, but it was close. Also, all the ingredients except for the eggs need to be measured out on a food scale. Apparently this is important, so I just borrowed a scale from my sister. And lastly, it may look a little funny watching some of the steps I take, but in this recipe, you will use the reverse creaming method. If you've ever baked a cake from a box, you'll see the difference in the batter after using this method. I should also warn you, I am the messiest baker in the world. How I make such messes is beyond me, but I do, and you will see them in this video. It's quite funny.
Go, I get, saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong? And now, you know, I lose my own sight. My love is out of my mind. And you, I'm not more than a dream. So wait, yeah, wait, can you even hold me? Hey, oh, hey. Baby, you are not more than a dream. Hey, you want it. Hey, you, we could be more. Hey, you, honest. Yeah, it's true. It's true. You're all I want. You're all I want. I lose my own sight. It's out of my mind. I'm not more than a dream.
So as you can see, I made a total mess while starting to measure out the ingredients for the icing. This icing was part of the recipe that I followed, and it was a buttercream icing, but to me, I'll be honest, I was not a fan of this. And you can see there was so much butter, and that's all I tasted, and I'm not that big of a butter person, of course, unless it's on popcorn. So actually the next time I made this cake for Ridley's actual birthday, I did not use this recipe.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact. Taking big swings, put your hand to the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line.
These daisies turned out so cute. I was very happy with the way they turned out, but you'll see at the end of the video I actually did not get to use them because they didn't freeze in time for me to be able to use them for Ridley's pictures.
I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you read my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I know. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie, I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight, I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie. make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you.